Matthew 7. Make una no dey judge people anyhow, so that God no go judge una. Because as una dey judge, na so God go take judge una. And as una dey do to other people, na so dem go do una too. Why you dey see the small dirty wey dey your brother eye, but you no dey see the big wood wey dey for your own? How you wan take tell your brother say, make I remove the dirty wey dey your eye, when big wood dey your own? You wey dey pretend, first remove the big wood wey dey your eye, then you go fit see the small dirty for your brother own. Make una no give dog things wey dey holy, or throw your gold give pig, because dem go mash am with their leg, turn face you, then come tear you to pieces. When you ask for something, God go give am to you. When you look for something, you go see am. And when you knock, the door go open for you. Anybody wey ask for something go get am. Anybody wey dey find something go see wetin e dey find. And person wey knock door, dem go open for am. E get any of una wey im pikin ask am for bread, and e give am stone? Or if the pikin ask for fish, you go give am snake? If you wey bad fit give your pikin good thing, you think say God wey dey heaven no go give better thing to people wey ask am? Because of this, make you treat people as you want make them treat you, because na so dem write am for the prophets and Moses' law. Make you pass the small gate enter, because the gate wey people go pass go suffer, wide well, and many people dey waka enter. But the gate wey people dey pass enter life small well, and e hard to enter, and na only few people go fit see am. Make you shine your eye, because lie prophets go come like sheep, but for inside their heart, dem be wicked animal wey dey kill. You go know them with wetin dem dey do. People no dey gather grape or fig from shukushuku. So too, every good tree go bear good fruit, but bad tree go bear bad fruit. Good tree no go fit bear bad fruit, and bad tree no go fit bear good fruit. Any tree wey no bear good fruit, dem go cut am down, come throw am inside fire. So, you go know the lie prophets with wetin dem dey do. No be everybody wey dey call God, Oga God, go enter God kingdom, but not only the people wey dey do wetin my Papa for heaven want. For that day wey God go judge everybody, many people go say, Oga God, we use your name preach God message, drive many demons come out from people body, and do many miracle. That time, I go say, I no know you. Make you come out from where I dey, you wey wicked well. Person wey hear my word and do wetin I talk, e be like wise man wey build in house on top rock. When rain fall, water come full the ground, then strong breeze come blow the house. E no go fall, because dem build am on top rock. But person wey hear my word and e no do am, e be like foolish man wey build in house on top sand. When rain fall, water come full the ground, then strong breeze come blow the house. Now once e go fall scatter for ground. After Jesus don talk all these things, the people surprised for the way they teach, because he teach them like person wey get authority, and no be as their law teachers dey do.
This na Greywood whispers, voice wey no loud, but get sense.